Hello eco-warriors and nature enthusiasts. Today, we've got a special mission that combines fun, learning, and making a positive impact: nature cleanup. Whether you're 5 or 17 years old, this activity is designed for everyone who cares about our environment. It's time to roll up our sleeves, put on our gardening gloves, and give a helping hand to Mother Nature. To begin, choose a part of the beach or a section of the forest that needs some extra love. As many participants as possible are welcome. We're on a mission to clean up and make these spaces beautiful again. While cleaning, let's take a moment to understand the importance of our actions. Talk to the children about how trash collection works, why it's crucial not to litter, and the significance of recycling. Use this opportunity to brainstorm ideas on how we can reduce waste in our own households. By participating in the nature cleanup, you're not just cleaning up, you're learning about the fragility of our environment and discovering the principles of recycling and zero waste. It's a hands-on lesson in being responsible stewards of the earth. The expected results and benefits are truly impactful. Children gain a greater appreciation for nature, becoming more mindful of the importance of protecting it for future generations. We recommend organizing a nature cleanup every 2 or 3 months. It's a fantastic way to consistently reinforce the values of environmental stewardship. Now, before we dive in, a quick reminder of safety precautions. Explain to the children the importance of wearing the provided gloves, especially when handling sharp objects. Don't forget your hat and sunscreen if it's sunny, and stay hydrated with water and snacks. And, of course, always check local laws to ensure we're following guidelines and restrictions. So, eco-champions, let's make a difference together. Grab your gloves, trash bags, and let the cleanup begin. If you have several teenagers, turn this into a friendly competition. Who can fill in the most trash bags? The reward? Knowing you've made a positive impact on our planet. Happy cleaning!